everyone. I'm Arjuman from PureSilver.io. I'm here live in Bangalore from Silver Show of India. Really excited to present our new collection of pure silver dinner sets. Here we go. This is our rose gold pure silver thali set for kids and babies. Comes as a 5-piece set. It's a beautiful shine with it's a 22 karat gold. It's hallmarked for 9250. That's a mini tag.
Hi there, this is Aisha, and I wanted to just pass my word about how Pure Silver is doing a fantastic job with their latest collection. It's super easy to use, the designs are very fresh and extremely suited to our modern generation's usage. I expected the silver designs to be something that are a little intimidating, but here's something that I'd actually like to use in my home, in my kitchen every day. Definitely something that you should try out. I think there's something in it for every kind of audience. There's something for the person who likes their traditional design. There's something for the person who's into aesthetic patterns, abstract. So definitely something you should explore in my opinion.
The collection looks very nice, especially different designs that you guys have brought in. It's eye-catching also.
Hey, I'm Neil and I'm with PureSilver.io. So I'm 31 right now and I normally don't like jewelry, right? Or anything to do with silver or gold. But I just looked at these designs and I was like, okay, this is something that I can buy for my wife, I can buy for myself, and it's something that I can also keep in my house, not just to use, even for decor. There's some awesome stuff and you guys should see them.
Hi guys, today I checked out the PureSilver.io products and the designs are fantastic. Big shout out to Arjuman for the work that she's doing. Amazing work. Do check out the website and do buy their products.
Hi guys, I really like these products. Excellent collection, very good quality, must go. Best of luck, PureSilver.io. Wishing you very best.
Thank you so much. Hi, I'm Ankita. Today I am here with Pure Silver. I definitely love the designs. I love how they got inspired from Indian motifs and how they have transferred that to their designs. Definitely love it. You can get the same collection which is hallmarked for 925 on PureSilver.io. It can be further customized in any size and quantity as well as the pieces that you need along with it. This is for presentation and the best selling. It comes along with a small plate, 2 bowls, a glass and a spoon and a fork. Check out the beautiful 24 karat gold plating on Pure Silver. At PureSilver.io, we design meaningful silverware collections steeped in India's rich history, culture, and traditions. For your loved ones to dine like royalty every day. We believe in designing 925 sterling silverware for moments such as your morning coffee to your life's biggest celebrations. This is the showstopper in the luxury gifting space. It's the Diamond 925 Sterling Silverware Collection. It was custom made for a wonderful son who wanted a gift for his parents' wedding anniversary. Each floral motif is hand engraved by multiple silversmiths for days together, and it takes one master silversmith to complete it. Reserve this for the most special celebrations of your life. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching my collections as much as I enjoyed designing them. I would like to invite you to visit PureSilver.io to stay updated on my latest collections. We do insured shipping worldwide. Thank you.